Samulola, Tomade Lagasa Shui, Pechina Ure, China Nina Ure, Permit Samulola, somebody touched the Shui, Government Chosen is here, Native Chesa de Los Angeles, California, the year. At the Tagana Duslegua, Gumzer of the Shuina, Tanija, the Yormchegi, the Kasa, controversy, the Takanda Chizo Gitalamna, huge. Tushini capital desha ani ngege ta thamu thondi gala ani dinde ta ai samsu samna dinde leswa you must have dinde ta ya gemi guchi dinde gi ya thagam dustub che ya dinde zuma swesha tenke be soro tushini samna duslesu e dinde indigala ya Mexican kimeji gi ya ari dinge jiresha mura original Mexican yesidu ani morangia deshedo skabdi lokshe skabdi do the kimi the mingla khasa Andrea Karichi stage labido o dideji ya tonsu ani ta khanda ya chimaji ta de nyima sumba du chadi do the controversy di nge gi zo di shue di ngazuta pheba Pebata any Gormchegi followers stay or number Nambe Churching Gormchilla Tsawayi, Samuel Shuedi, the computer, the Netolia, the Tia, the Samjo Chiroches, Bigishu, the Naragi, Samjudo dinner. The computer, the Guski Tam de way, not Nezi, those dating, those Nezi, the Majame Megorovich, Mazunarazu Migi Svegi, Guyen of those Tondi do. And the Kissin that the Nazi Migi Madam Che and as that Yura Nambeche Chinge, the Garmjilla, any Tabachinge, to Zugi, the Casota, Modev, the Instagram, the Zunala Matamayina, and there's the Chroma dus in the Jamdur water, Chida Garmchegi, Cooking Zani, apology, non savare, any Konge Kot Savare, that's how me, Chinge Tango Jorwa, the Yaga game TV Tamagi. Kasa sana kariji sengeshtoa di imbeine and the Mexican comedy mora YouTube channel chidwa aril digido moinare ta kanda mi mangbuchi lagi kwanzu dumgone de gomasu che ta injid masu misconstrued ra information dinde radio ga lamgya gora ani haina chomge na shin chomje endilia dishe loba gyawegi nizudu chawra ta kwan samu khotsabre indine digala nge gita gyadu dabgyoro shagdu bebegi samada chinannibe yebegi da kanda baba philippines samma logi singuna go mares edinala goni yange team madero nas ini youtube da dile swemi ne gezege tomindu ni koyan ko sabre yarmje ko izane any apology nan sabre adu shashana digres ra o dile samji shwe chungso Adria consume yung secret, thing around get some jury, I get so what the decade or me. Get on Facebook, or then I'll get this Narangi. Narangi, what's on your mind? Dig Galia Tia Chunso.
Good morning, hello everyone, happy Wednesday.
Today is April 12, 2023. My name is Chok Tsering, and I live in Los Angeles, California. Today I'm just coming to kind of on the Facebook page and the Instagram. The reason behind is, as you all know, there's a big controversy going on, in terms of His Holiness, the video with the kids, and it's going like crazy on all these social platform. And this is the third day that I see lots of videos, comments on the social platform. And as far as I'm concerned, I have given my opinion. I put my opinion on the What's on Your Mind on the Facebook page a couple days ago. What I think is this is completely misconstrued, propaganda from CCP. I'm sure it's behind, all these, the games. And my request to you, all the Tibetan brothers, sisters, and the the followers of His Holiness, that please stop writing and putting all these comments, or you making YouTubes, even the YouTubers do, for on this, the controversial, the incident, because what I feel is it's not helping us, rather it's more instigating, kind of more propaganda. It's fulfilling the wishes of this Communist Party China's intention. So therefore, my opinion is, that this incident, like what do you call, like unlucky incident, which the paid propaganda misconstrued the whole incident happened in February. It's almost like 2 months old, and there's, of course, there's a reason behind why they kind of revived the video after 2 months, and kind of make it viral in social platform. And there's many reasons for that, so I'm not going to go there. My objective of today coming to live is to request my Tibetan brothers, sisters, and followers of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, please stop writing on the Facebook and putting all those pictures, and this is the third day. We're still seeing lots of comments and social posts on that subject matters. So the bottom line is, it's my opinion, individual opinion. So I have a right to say. I'm sure a lot of people may not agree with my opinion. This is what I feel. Since like 3 days, there's nonstop comments and pictures, posts everywhere on social platform, which really doesn't help us to the situation. Rather, it kind of more instigates more propaganda in the social platform. So once again, I would like to request all my brothers, sisters, the followers of His Holiness, we need not to worry about anything, because this situation is already taken care of. As you know from Gande Phodang, His Holiness office had already sent a letter to media for apologizing for this incident, because the reason is he's not owning this the incident. It's nothing true in that incident, but just to calm down people, and rather take it calm, and everything will be taken care of. So we don't need to worry about anything. So that's my request to all my brothers, sisters, are once again. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.